Hey guys! Ayan, nandito ako ngayon sa may McDonald's. So, inutusan ako ni Lolo na bibili ng chicken wings. So, bibili tayo yung chicken wings na buy one take one. So, buksan na natin yung pinto at mag-order na tayo. This one. Spicy. Yeah. No. This. 2. Ayan, buy one take one yan.
Spicy chicken.
Yeah, it's spicy.
This
Yeah,
spicy,
this.
okay. 2 piece.
2.
Drink.
Yeah.
Bread.
It's
Cola.
It's Sprite.
What?
7 up.